Hi, I'm here to present Biscuit, an innovative effects processor by OTO machines. Basically, Biscuit is a bit reducer with variable sample rate, but as we're about to see, several features set it apart from the crowd. It can mute or invert each of its 8 bits with the front panel buttons. Its sample rate is continuously variable with a rate pot to generate aliasing effects. Its true 8-bit converters have been carefully selected for their sound and distort nicely when pushed. Because bit manipulation can generate extreme harmonics, it is followed by a true analog resonant multimode filter to tame the generated distortion. This filter is also a special circuit designed to ideally complement the bit reduction. Though not self-oscillating, it can completely smooth out the aggressiveness of the machine. The filter can be cycled between low pass, band pass and high pass with a dedicated mode switch. Because the signal generated by Biscuit can get pretty loud, rather than have a standard dry-wet pot, there's a naked pot for the dry level and a separate dressed pot for the process signal, giving easier control on the output level of the machine. A separate input level pot feeds the circuit with input level monitored by the color of the bypass switch, ranging from green to red. Biscuit also has 4 8-bit effects that are accessed with the central brain switch. When you press this switch, the panel buttons and sample rate pot become the parameters of the selected effect. The first effect is a wave shaper with 8 different waveforms to generate exactly the distortion you need on top of the bit manipulation. The waveforms are simply selected via the front panel buttons. The second effect is a delay with controls for feedback and note value. It syncs to an external MIDI clock or tap tempo on the first button. It also has a separate free tempo that you can glide to and back with button number 4. The third effect is a basic pitch shifter with a rate pot changing between 8 preset pitch values ranging from -1 octave to +1 octave, with the center position being a unison detune setting. The fourth effect is an 8-step filter sequencer with several cycle modes and variable number of steps, which allows you to program patterns for the filter. It is also locked to MIDI clock or tap tempo. The Biscuit is built like a tank, functions in true stereo and has a true bypass relay. All parameters can be stored and recalled from one of the 16 user presets. The Biscuit is fully MIDI controllable with local on and off modes, enabling full automation through standard continuous controller messages in your favorite sequencer. It has size-X capability to manage your presets in your computer and upgrade its firmware. Thank you for your time.